If this is the first video you are watching, hi. I'm exploring a topic to simplify something I'm struggling with and sharing what helps me overcome it. We're talking about overthinking. This is the second video, and this video's focus is simple but powerful. Getting your thoughts out of your head. One reason overthinking feels so exhausting is that everything stays inside. Worries, unfinished tasks, fears, random scenarios, and conversations you keep replaying all compete for your attention. Your mind tries to hold on to everything, even when it doesn't need to. So today I'm doing something very basic, a brain dump. I'm writing down everything that is looping in my head, not in a perfect or organized way, just getting it all onto paper. The things I'm worried about, avoiding, replaying, or stressed about. The moment you write things down, they become easier to see and easier to manage. Try this today. 1. Take out a notebook. 2. Don't try to sound smart. 3. Don't organize it. 4. Just write. When you're done, divide your thoughts into 3 groups. 1. Things I can do something about today. 2. Things I can deal with later. 3. Things I cannot control. This matters because overthinking often comes from trying to solve everything at once. But not everything deserves the same energy. Some things need action, some need time, and some need acceptance. For me, this simple exercise clears mental clutter and creates space. So today's video is not about solving every problem. It's about making room in your mind. Write everything down, sort it into those 3 categories, and choose what you can act on today. That's it.